Cheers, guys. MALOSSI V-One case and MALOSSI 221 cubic. Very first start. Did not use any start spray. Shall we see if he wants to bark? Shall we see if it wants to bark? It definitely does want to bark. Woohoo! Shall we try again? First start was very good. Cheers, guys. We don't need to choke anymore. Spark plug is connected. Performance 2. Ich habe keinen anderen Auspuff für den Motorständer. Engine case, crankshaft. 2 parts are defining the rotary valve, a valve that is supposed to close and open in this direction, open and close the intake, and this needs the tolerance clearance of 0.05, 0.2. Still doesn't clamp. Let's try the next size, 0.25 to the front. Oh yeah, this clamps. Let's try the next size, 0.25 to the front. You see the crank closing, and it clamps. So we have 0.15 to the back, 0.25 to the front. What does it mean? It means that we need the rotary valve pad redone according to the crankshaft we want to use, because these both parts are defining the rotary valve, and with 0.25 and 0.15 that's not gonna fly. We need 0.05. Yes, this is little. That's very little. It's less than 0.1, but engines from the factory do have less than 0.1. Of course, very self-explaining. This is what we also need for tunings, isn't it? Cheers, guys.
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?
False air guide. This time at a new engine on the workbench. But, you know, first of all, cheers. How's it going, guys? Keep it up out there in these weird times. A guide I wanted to make for a long time is false air, cause the very first info you get online from other amateur mechanics is if you have false air, so if the idle goes up uncontrollable, is you have to change the crankshaft seal. Crankshaft seal is that. Most of the time, in most of the cases, this info is wrong. There are many things you have to check first, and that's what I want to show you here, because there is no need to open the engine. You can actually check 7 things first. So the first thing that might be is wrong carburettor setting. Check that the setting is